In the course overview, I will go over in detail the sections that are available in this course. Hopefully, this course overview will help you better understand what to expect in this course and what you will learn going forward. This course is split up into two parts: basic fundamentals of dribbling and the actual dribbling moves. In the basic fundamentals of dribbling part, you'll go over 4 parts: proper technique to dribble the ball, looking up, ball protection, and pullback dribbling. And for the dribbling moves, there are 4 types of dribbling moves that I'll go over: single moves, combination moves, special moves, and shooting off the dribble moves. Fundamentals of dribbling. So there's a proper technique to dribble the ball, and a fundamental way that I'll actually go over in that section. Whenever you're dribbling, you always want to look up, so we'll talk about that also. As you're dribbling, we'll also talk about how to protect the ball and the need for it. And also, we'll go over pullback dribbling, which is a technique to use while protecting the ball. Single moves. These ball handling moves only require one single move to execute. Sometimes, one single move is all you need to beat the defender off the dribble. These are moves you want to start off with if you are just a beginner. Combination moves. Combination dribbling moves are moves that have 2 or more single moves put together. You can be able to add the single moves together once you get better at ball handling. You can also get very creative and put together really interesting moves. Special moves. These moves are in an advanced stage as they require a high level of ball handling skills. The moves are very unorthodox and very different from the typical conventional moves that one normally sees. These moves definitely require a considerable amount of practice in order for the moves to be pulled off. Shooting off dribble moves. These moves are specifically moves that set one up for a jump shot. If you want to be able to create shots off the dribble, these moves that are demonstrated can be very helpful. You can be able to work on both ball handling and shooting at the same time when you consistently drill through these moves. In the conclusion section, I will provide some concluding points that can be helpful on your journey of becoming a better ball handler. Hopefully these tips can be beneficial and one can apply them when needed.